a slap around your arm.
Oh, okay.
Oh! I tried. No, what the heck? Cheat. That's why I was on the ground on the other side of the fence. That thing sucked. Oh, 2 chances and I couldn't do it. It's already back to you. 2 chances and I couldn't do it. Man, I had that go for a while. Whew.
Jump circus.
I don't know, not that far behind you. Ow!